You know, when you tune your car on 100 octane, this is kind of what you have to do. I just be going to buy pails for this car. It's tuned on race gas. Eventually, I'm just gonna tune it back on 91 or just go E. I really thought tuning this car on 100 octane was a good idea, but this shit is expensive. Cobra's still here. Cobra's not going anywhere, so just stays parked. This car also, this needs an oil change too, so I have to do that. And this car is leaking from a diff, so it's a very small leak, but there's fluid piled up over there. It gets on the exhaust, so you know you can smell a little bit once you drive it, but I have to take care of that. And man, I think it needs an alternator, so I need to do that too. Because the volts dropped after, like, you know, they always drop when I'm like, let's say the AC's on and I have the music on, they will drop down to 12 sometimes, so it's kind of scary. So I don't want that, and probably do a couple of cooling mods. Summer's here, so I do want to drive the car with the top down, but that's kind of the update on the Cobra. That's why I haven't made too much content on it. Got to get all the stuff for it, and yeah, today we're gonna focus on the ZR1. So I probably should do the spark plugs. The car has 20-some thousand miles on it. Pretty high mileage for a C7 ZR1. You guys do not see a lot of ZR1s like over 10K miles, honestly. Like, people don't drive these cars. I drive the shit out this car every time I get a chance.
What do to you, motherfucker? What you gonna do? What you gonna do, bitch? Sweep through left, nigga. If you stop it, nigga, I'm gonna spin, nigga. If you stop it, I'm gonna step back. If you stop it, I'm gonna go the other way, nigga. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do to you. I'm gonna talk to you, nigga. I'm gonna teach you why I'm sexing you the fuck up. This can cinch you.
Man, bro.
Cool, nigga.
This one-on-one yesterday was...
Get to them nipples.
Safety first. I think the jack should fit under there now. Without I'll put these mats under the car, so mud flaps from the truck. So
we got the car jacked up, guys. I had to use these mud flaps to drive over the car, so because the car's so low that it's hard to jack this thing up. But I got it up. About to put the jack stands on.
gotta get an airlift. I fucking jacks be scary, bro.
Yeah. Gangin'. Just finished the oil change. Shout out Love coming to help me, man. This shit, sometimes by yourself is just, you know, it's good to have an extra pair of eyes. That's all I'm saying. So, I'm about to go home, shower up, and then we're gonna continue this video because I'm beat right now, bro. It's hot. All right, guys. It's currently the next day. About to wipe. What the hell? What the helly? That's probably wipe the car down. I'm about to go to a car meet with everyone. So, just wiping the car down real quick to make it look a little better. All right, Davar, that's up. Okay. Yeah?
That's
I mean, that is insane, bro. I'm about it right now. That motherfucking nasty. Oh my god. Bro, what the heli? What the heli? Low key? Whose car is this? Hey, get out your. Oh, bro, it's a manual too. Hey, it's a 7-speed. It's a manual too.
Yeah, I bought it like that, bro.
Low key.
We actually just ended up going to that little car meet that I threw a few clips of it inside. But I mean, it was a normal car meet. There's not too much to record, so I mean, I kind of just got a couple clips. Ended up seeing a red C7 ZR1, which is pretty cool. Don't see those too often. As I was doing that drive back over there where the camera was, I guess the camera cut off and I didn't notice. And I drove a lot and I just looked at the camera and it was facing the other way the whole time. Cause like, you know, when I did a pull, the car kind of like, you know, it moved the camera angle and I didn't look at my phone through the app, you know, that it changed. So it kind of missed half of the pull video. But honestly, guys, I just picked up some Chipotle and I don't want to do any more pulls right now. Because I don't want anything to spill. So I think this is the end of this video. I'm sorry the videos have been so short. I'm trying to keep them entertaining, but like I don't want gaps in my videos of me just talking. Like right now, nobody wants to hear me talk. The channel's for the car. That's what it's about. I'll talk when I need to, but right now I don't have any more action to post. I have food in the car. I don't want it to spill, so I'm gonna just go home, park the car. It's almost out of gas, so you guys know I gotta go take another trip to damn near almost Fremont to fill up some 100 octane pills, and we'll make more videos in the week. I'm gonna keep dropping them consistently. I'm not gonna stop. I think I'm on it now. So thank you guys for watching. Good little video. Definitely gonna, if you guys want to see Cobra content, let me know. Those videos didn't do as good as the ZR1 video, so you know, I haven't posted them as much, but let me know if you guys want to see the Cobra videos too, and I'll make those for sure. But thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Thank you as always.